Hey everyone, and welcome back. Now we are going to talk about the Linux kernel, the heart and brain of Linux. If Linux was a school, the kernel would be the principal. It controls everything, makes decision, and ensures smooth operation. What does kernel do? The kernel's job is to manage hardware and system resources. Let's break it into parts now. I'll start with the process management. Controls program execution, multitasking, and scheduling. Now think of processes as running programs. The kernel starts, stops, and switches between processes so multiple things can run at once. So this is called as multitasking. You can listen to music, download a file, and browse the internet at the same time. Kernel makes it possible. Memory management. The kernel decides which program gets how much RAM. It also manages virtual memory and swap space when RAM is full. Example, if your system has only 4 GB RAM, but you open many apps, Linux uses swap to keep it running smoothly. Device drivers. The kernel acts as a translator between hardware and software. Device drivers are like language translators for disk, keyboard, network cards, and lot more. Example, when you press a key, the driver tells Linux which key you pressed. Security. The kernel controls who can access what. It manages user permissions, file access, and system integrity also. Example, a normal user cannot delete system files unless the admin allows it. Last, we have networking. The kernel handles communication between computers. It supports networking protocols and ensures data reaches the right place. Example, when you send an email, the kernel ensures the data packet travels from your PC to the email server safely and securely. Let's talk about real-time example. When you withdraw money from an ATM, say SBI or HDFC, the Linux kernel is silently working. It checks your bank database for balance. It manages memory for processing the transaction. It communicates with hardware like the cash dispenser. It ensures only authorized access to your account. Without the kernel, their ATM would just be a useless box. So remember everyone, the kernel is the core manager. It controls the process, memory, devices, security, and networking. In short, we can wind up this session saying no kernel is equal to no Linux. Thank you for watching. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you.